Imagine a crushing solution that breaks free from fixed sites, navigates rugged mountains, muddy construction yards, and remote mines with ease. Meet the crawler-type mobile stone crushing and screening plant. This all-in-one crushing plant integrates feeding, crushing, screening, and conveying systems onto a robust track-mounted chassis, eliminating the need for tedious foundation pouring or complex assembly, so you can set up and start production in hours, not weeks. Whether you're tackling granite, basalt, limestone, or recycling construction waste into high-quality recycled aggregates, this machine handles it all with remarkable flexibility to achieve coarse, medium, or fine crushing, and rely on its multi-layer vibrating screen to sort finished products into precise sizes, from 0 to 5 millimeters to 20 to 40 millimeters, perfectly suited for roads, bridges, buildings, or concrete production. What truly sets it apart is its unmatched mobility. With a low ground pressure design and remote control operation, it crawls over uneven terrain, steep slopes, and wetlands that traditional equipment can't reach, reducing material transportation costs by 30 to 50% through on-site crushing and on-site utilization. Equipped with a fuel-efficient Cummins diesel engine or hybrid power system, it delivers consistent output ranging from 50 to 500 tons per hour, while built-in dust suppression and noise reduction technologies ensure compliance with strict environmental standards. From mining operations and infrastructure projects to emergency disaster cleanup and industrial waste recycling, this mobile crusher plant adapts to every challenge, boosting productivity, cutting operational costs, and turning waste into valuable resources. For more details and price, contact Beachy Machinery now.